Making money online has never been easier than it is today. With information available at our fingertips, it seems that everyone has a side hustle and is making money online. Hi, my name's Dain, I'm a digital nomad, and in this video, I'm going to share with you the 9 ways that I make money. If you want a free mini guide showing you how you can earn online, I'll leave my free guide linked down below in the description. When I first started out trying to make money online so I could fund my travels and become a digital nomad, I honestly had zero idea what I was doing. It seemed impossible. Today, I am pretty comfortable with the amount of money that I make. Obviously, you'll always want to earn more money, but I am able to fund my travel lifestyle and work and earn money from anywhere in the world with these 9 income streams. So in total, I have 9 income streams, and I'm going to break it down in the video in more of a logistical way. So what I mean by that is the first 5 income streams are actually linked to my YouTube channel. So I have a YouTube channel, it's called Chasing Dain, and over my social media, I have a joint following of 27,000 people. And my niche is moving to Australia. This is how I've managed to monetize my brand. My first income stream is YouTube. So because I had over 4,000 hours of watch time within 1 year, and I had over 1,000 subscribers, I could apply for Google AdSense. So when you see ads running on YouTube videos, I now make money from the ads placed on my videos. So that is income stream number 1. Income stream number 2 is called affiliate marketing. Now, I've seen a massive trend of this on TikTok, and it does seem a little scammy, but trust me, it's a really reliable way of making money as a blogger or content creator. Last year alone, I made over $5,000 just through affiliate marketing. So I know you're probably thinking, what does affiliate marketing mean? Let's take this water bottle, for instance. Say this water bottle company has an affiliate marketing program that I join. If an audience member buys this water bottle using my link, they don't get charged anything extra, but I get a small kickback. And the more affiliate links that you have that's linked on all your videos, the more that your income stream builds up. Now, my 3 favorite affiliate programs are Safety Wing, Wise, and Get Your Guide. I know there's probably heaps of affiliate programs out there, but personally as a creator, I only join affiliate programs that I am a customer of, products that I believe in, and companies that I actually want to promote because it's more organic then. If you have an audience and they purchase a product using a link that you've provided, and you get a small kickback, it's a win-win for everyone. Your audience gets a product that they want because you recommended it and they want it. You get a small kickback and the company gets to sell a product. My 3rd income stream is my digital ebook. Going back to my niche, which is moving to Australia, I have made an ebook with over 100 pages of useful information, resources, travel guides, discount codes, all in this one ebook. And people buy that ebook because they've read my free mini guide, which is like 10 pages, and they want to know more information. I have heaps of videos on YouTube giving them more information, but some people just want even more information, which is why I created my ebook, because I identified that actually I'm getting a lot of questions about how to ask to move to Australia. So I've answered all those questions in a convenient ebook, which someone can purchase. And there is no offset cost for me because I'm not paying to print this ebook. And this brings me on to income stream number 4, which is my one-to-one consultations, which is also linked to my niche of moving to Australia. So I have heaps of free YouTube videos and resources on my Instagram, YouTube, blog. I have my free mini guide, and then I have my ebook, which people can purchase for more information. And then if people want to sit down and have a one-to-one online call with me, I have recently started doing one-to-one consultations. So I'll sit down with someone for 45 minutes on an online meeting, and I'll answer all their questions they have about moving to Australia, and I'll help them plan their trip. And then income stream number 5, which is also linked to my niche of moving to Australia, is the brand partnerships that I do. So firstly, full disclosure, I only partner with a brand if I fully believe and use their product, because I value my audience's time, I value the relationship I have with my audience, and I don't want to just partner with a brand just for some money. The reason I'm able to partner with brands and earn money this way is because I have a highly targeted audience of 27,000 people that follow me for moving to Australia, tips, guides, adventures. Brands will pay me to put their product in front of my audience. So I've partnered with brands like Safety Wing, a travel insurance company. People need travel insurance. I use it. I love it. I'm going to recommend it. Another one is Skyscanner. I've worked with them this year. I use their app pretty much every day. It's a very organic partnership, and I know that my audience want to know about things like that. I've been able to make money through these 5 income streams based off my YouTube channel with 7,000 subscribers. It's honestly mental. So income stream number 6 is probably my most consistent and biggest income. It's working as a freelancer. I work as a freelance creative. So that basically means that I do contract work for different companies and brands. A few of these tasks include social media management, email marketing, video editing, all types of stuff. But I have repeat clients that I work with each month that helps me earn a consistent income. Income stream number 7 is UGC, which stands for user generated content. So that basically means I create a video for a company to post on their social media. And it doesn't get posted on my social media at all. Because I have the creative skills, I have a camera set up, I'm able to edit high quality and engaging videos. Companies come to me when they want Instagram content, TikTok content, whatever content it is, I'm able to make that. And I don't have to worry about posting that on my channels. The next way I make money online or as a digital nomad is photography and videography. I'm not actually a trained videographer, but I know how to use a camera and I have experience of this. So at times I will shoot campaigns for brands, depending on what area I'm in. If it's a hotel that needs some pictures, I'm able to do that, or some Instagram content. So this is something I don't do a lot because I do travel a lot, so it is a bit more trickier. But if someone reaches out, or if I reach out to a company and say, hey, I can do photography, videography, money made. This brings me on to income stream number 9, which I don't do so much these days because I'm not in one place. My usual base is Australia, and I did do this a bit last year. So I was a government social worker in the UK. I can register in Australia, New Zealand. I can register in a few countries and do this on an ad hoc basis. And it's actually a very good way to save up an extra bit of cash. So how this worked last year is I traveled quite a lot last year, but there was an odd time where I'd maybe get a call from an agency like, can I work this weekend? And I would just pick up random shifts. And this just helps build up my overall income. And if this all goes wrong, I know I can go back to social work and I actually enjoy it. I know it might seem excessive to say I have 9 income streams, 9 ways to make money, but I actually think that's better than having one income stream. One thing I noticed when I quit my 9-to-5 back in the UK, people were like, oh my God, you can't quit your job. How are you going to earn money? How are you going to pay your bills? Actually, I would say I'm more secure having 9 streams of income than 1 stream of income in my 9-to-5. That's just for a bit of perspective. There's absolutely nothing wrong if you only have 1 income stream, but more is better. So there we have it. I get asked all the time, Dain, how do you make money online as a digital nomad? And those are the 9 ways that I make money. I know the last one is kind of not online, but it's something that I still can do if I choose to. If you have any other questions or any topics you want covered on the subject of like digital nomadism, content creation, or anything, drop them down below. And if you want a free guide on 15 ways you can make money online, join my email list down below and I will send you my free mini guide. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch it. I hope you found it useful. And until next time, take care and peace out.